The management of Ewasa Limited wishes to inform its esteemed customers who live in Kigali and its surrounding areas that during this dry season there is water scarcity resulting from increased water consumption, as there are no other alternative source of water as it is during rainy season. We therefore urge our esteemed customers to practice rational use of water by reducing frequent and extravagant gardening, car washing, and stop street watering. The management of Ewasa Limited further urges its customers and public at large to stock water when delivered in their area to sustain periods of water shortage. The management of Ewasa Limited takes also this opportunity to inform its customers that it has established a dynamic water rationing schedule which will be published every week in different media outlets including newspapers, TV and radio channels, website and social media, Twitter and Facebook. In case of any commercial or technical problems, please contact the following branch managers. For urgent technical intervention, including spotted pipe leaks, please call Once again, the management of Ewasa Limited thanks its esteemed customers for the continued patronage and cooperation.